Here is a schematic diagram for simple class D amplifier. First we have our AC mains, step down transformer, bridge rectifier. We are getting after rectification 20 volt. This is regulating IC to get 12 volt. Here we have our first stage, that is audio amplification stage. Audio signal from phone coming in. They are centered around 0 and are about 1 volt peak to peak. This is DC blocking capacitor that allows only AC to pass through. Here we have a voltage divider network to give DC offset to this audio signal. As we can see, this signal is centered around 0, and in our case we are using only single supply, that is 12 volt and 0 volt. So we want this 0 volt reference to raise to 6 volt to get a symmetric swing of audio signal. Here R2 and R1 decide the gain of this amplifier. Don't get too large with the gain, otherwise your audio signal will clip. Here we have 555 timer set in a non-conventional A-stable mode. This 5k resistor here fix the duty cycle to 45%. If you want 50%, go with 10k. If you want more duty cycle, raise the value of resistor. If you want less duty cycle, decrease the value of resistor. Output is not taken from pin 3, rather it is taken from the timing capacitor to get these triangular waves. Then here we have LM311, that is basically a comparator to compare these two signal and get the output. It outputs a fixed frequency generated by 555 timer, but its duty cycle varies as per the amplitude of this audio signal. Then here we have another 555 timer. What it is doing is playing the role of gate driver IC only. Then here we have two MOSFET, one P channel and another is N channel. Gate of these MOSFET are capacitively coupled by this 100 picofarad capacitor. Mind it, you can go up to 2 or 20 nanofarad, but don't go above that, otherwise you will see shoot through, or both of these MOSFET will get on at the same time and huge current will pass through them and they will heat and die. So you can go lower in this value, but don't go higher than 20 nanofarad. Then this inductor and this capacitor forms the low pass filter, that they allow only the low signal to pass through. All the high frequency, that is this switching frequency generated by this 555 timer, will pass through this capacitor, and this only audio signals will pass through speaker. You see there is a fixed frequency of 227 kilohertz. Now
that is Jamaican condition. Educate you about the situation. Music is my occupation. So me now fill out your application. Get music for domination. To the right now every nation. Dance all is in my PlayStation. Dance all play sound station. Your radio station, TV station. Dance all come for presentation. Dance all find the techno version. Make music only in one that. Dance all from creation. My job be like a bomb. Every woman a wine for a bomb. My job be like a bomb. Every woman a wine for a bomb. Burn it down, burn it down. Representative